Change. We will wait for 1 minute. We'll wait for 1 more minute, then we will start. Till the time, just sit properly, comfortably on your chair. Sit back. And close your eyes. Try to observe your breath. Keep your eyes closed for a while. And observe your breath. If any thoughts coming in mind, let it be. Take a deep breath in and breathe out. Be relaxed. Give a gentle smile on your face. We will start now. Take a deep breath in and breathe out. One more time. Breathe in and breathe out. One last time. Take a deep breath in and breathe out completely. Very nice. We will do 3 times Omkar. So while breathe out, we have to make a sound of Omkara. Breathe in. One more time. Breathe in. And one last time. Breathe in. Keep your eyes closed. Feel the Omkar vibration in your whole body. Keep your mind calm and relaxed. With a few blinks, you may open your eyes. Very nice. So whole practice we have to make sure will be relaxed more. No stress, nothing will be there. So we'll start with few breathing. Slowly bring your both the hands in front, and while breathing we have to bring them aside. Breathe in. Keep your elbows straight. Breathe out. Bring your hand back. Very nice. 2 more time. Breathe in. Breathe out. One last time. Breathe in. And breathe out slowly and gently. Very nice. Then interlock your fingers. Put on your chest. And then we have to just stretch our hand outward in front. with a breathe in and breathe out. So we will start. Breathe in front only, stretch, elbow straight, breathe out. Put them back, shoulder relax. 2 more time, breathe in, breathe out. Sit straight and tall. One last time, breathe in, stretch more, and breathe out. Now this time we'll go forehead level. This level we will go. Breathe in, stretch up, in front only, breathe out. 2 more time, breathe in, breathe out. One last time, breathe in and breathe out. Every time relax your shoulder nicely. This time we'll go above the head. Okay, we'll start slowly. Breathe in, above the head, stretch, breathe out. 2 more time. Breathe in, breathe out. And one last time, slowly breathe in. Hold your breath, stretch up and breathe out. Very nice, and relax your hand. Very nice. Relax your hand on your thighs. If you want, just stretch. Just open and close for a while. Very nice, and relax. So we'll go for the next. The hand loosening. So bring your both the hands in front. And this time we will just open all the fingers wider. Open wide, wide. And then thumb inside, 4 finger top on it. Press, 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 and again open. Slowly open. All the 5 fingers should not touch each other. And then close and press. Press one more time. Last time, open. Open all the fingers wider. You can feel the stretch in all the fingers. And thumb inside, 4 finger top on it. Press, press, and relax. Very nice. This time, the right hand should be straight. And with the left hand, we are pulling our fingers back. 1, 2, and 3. Down and back. 1, 2, and 3. One more time. Up and back. 1, 2, 3. Down and back. 1, 2, and 3. Other hand, left hand. With the help of right hand, we are pulling the left hand finger downward, backward. 1, 2. Elbow should be straight. 3. Downward and back. 1, 2, and 3. One more time. Up and back. 1, 2, 3. Down and back. 1, 2, 3. Very nice. Make a loose fist. This time loose. Do not press, and we will rotate our wrist only. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Reverse direction. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Very nice. Open the hand facing upward and try to touch to the our shoulder. 1. Open again. 2. Open. 3. Open. 4. And last round 5. Open the hand in shoulder line. Same we will repeat. Open the hand. Elbow should be straight. Touch back to the shoulder. 1. Open hand. 2. Touch back. 3. 4. open hand. And last round, open and slowly bring back. Very nice. Now we'll open the hand facing downward and palm like both the sides. Yes, very nice. So we can see we are pushing both the sides. If there is a wall, we are pushing. So elbow should be straight and all the fingers bring backwards. And slowly we will start making the circles. Small circle and then slowly big circle. Make sure your elbow straight. Keep making the big circle. You can feel your biceps and triceps little heavier. But that's okay. Once you reach to the very big circle, then we'll go reverse. Big circle. And slowly we will come back to the small circle. Wherever we started at the start. So come back to the small circle. Very nice. Keep your hands straight and slowly bring them back. Relax. Keep your both the hand on your thighs. Sit back. Close your eyes and feel the changes in your shoulder region. Very nice. Relax. You can feel the blood flow coming down to the hand. Very nice. So next we will start with stretching. So both the hands slowly we have to bring up, facing forward. But first we can stretch them up. Stretch nicely upward and slowly with bend from your waist and go forward. If you cannot reach to the ground, be there in straight. That's okay. If you are okay, just bring your head to the knee. Slowly breathe in. Go forward first. And then come up. And this time we'll go look back. Take a support of your chair. Look back. One more time. Slowly come to the straight. And go forward. Very slowly. Try to touch to the ground and bring your head to the knee. Slowly come up, reach to the straight first and come up. Look back. Very nice. And bring your hands down slowly and gently and relax. Relax for a while. Very nice. Next, we will take a help of our right hand. Hold the right side of your chair and slowly bring your left hand up. Stretch up first. Stretch up, nicely stretch and turn or the bend towards the right side. Right side. Look straight. Make sure your elbow straight. Right side. You have to bend to the right. Opposite to the left hand. Left hand up, bend to the right. Elbow straight. Breathe in. Come to the center. Again give a nice stretch to your hand. Stretch. And then slowly bring your left hand down. Very slowly. All the action, we have to do it slowly. Excellent. Now take a support of left hand, hold your left side of the chair and this time we will bring our right hand out slowly. Right hand will go to the shoulder level, palm facing upward and slowly go to the straight. Biceps touching to the ear, stretch up and then bend towards the left. Keep your hand straight, look forward. Very nice. You can feel the sideways get nice stretch here. Very nice. Keep breathing and breathe out slowly. Engage all the right side of your hand. Slowly breathe in, come to the center. Again you can stretch your hand up and slowly bring to the shoulder level. palm facing down and bring them down. Relax. You can see the blood flow moving down now. Relax for a while. Bring your both the hands on your thighs. Observe the changes happening in your both the shoulder and hand region. Very nice. Slowly open your eyes. Now we'll go for the twisting. So we have to take a right hand touching to the left knee and left hand go to the back. Hold your chair and look back. Look to the left shoulder. If you cannot look back, then look only front. Whichever is comfortable to you. Give a nice twist to your back. This is very good posture to increase the metabolic rate and activate all the abdomen organs. Keep breathing. Gently breathe in. Release your left hand. Come to the center and release your right hand. Now we will go to the opposite. Sit straight, spine straight. Left hand on right knee. Right hand. Hold the back of your chair and look back to the right side. Knee should be straight only. Look back. Spine straight. Keep breathe in and breathe out normally. Do not hold your breath. And gently breathe in. Release your right hand. Release your left hand and sit straight. Very nice. So next we will go to the leg loosening. So gently bring your right leg up. Squeeze all the toes and release. Only toes we have to squeeze and release. Squeeze, release, squeeze and release. And last, squeeze and release. Now we'll rotate the ankle clockwise. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Reverse direction. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Very nice. Now we will just rotate our knees. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Reverse direction. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Now we will just make it straight and bring them back. Straight. Point forward, straight. You can feel the thigh also get stretched. Bring them back. Last time straight. Make it straight and bring them back. And gently keep the right leg down. We'll go to the left leg. Again the same thing. Squeeze and release all the toes. Squeeze and release. Squeeze and release. Squeeze and release. Squeeze and release. Last time squeeze and release. Now we'll rotate the ankle. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Reverse direction. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Rotate the knee. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Reverse direction. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Now make it straight. Hold there and bring them back. 2 more time. Make it straight. Hold there and bring them back. One last time. Make it straight. Hold there. Hold. Hold. Hold and bring them back. And release. We'll go with both the legs. Again we have to make it straight. Hold for a while and bring them back. 2 more time. We will bring both the legs in front. Make it straight. Hold. Hold and bring them back. One last time. Both the legs together. Bring straight. Hold and bring them back. Very nice. Come little in front. We will walk on the chair itself. So we'll walk 10 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Very nice. Sit back. Relax for a while. Feel the changes happening in your leg region and relax. Next, we'll move to the neck region. Okay? So slowly breathe in, look up, breathe out, look down. Make sure you are sitting straight and tall. Breathe in, slowly, slowly look up and back. Observe your spine. Breathe out, slowly, slowly come down, chin to the chest. Again, observe your spine get expand. Breathe in, look up and back, and breathe out, look down, and breathe in, come to the center. Next, we'll look to the right and left. Breathe in, and breathe out, look to the right as much as you can. Breathe in, come to the center. Breathe out to the left. Breathe in, come to the center. Breathe out to the right. Breathe in, come to the center. Breathe out to the left. Breathe in, come to the center. And breathe out to the right. Breathe in, come to the center. And breathe out to the left. And breathe in, come to the center and relax. Next, we'll take a support of right hand, touch to the left ear. And slowly bring our neck towards the right. And you can just extend your left hand straight to the left side. Down, not up, just down. Make it straight and feel the stretch in your neck region at the left side. Look straight. Feel the stretch in neck region. Keep breathing and breathe out. Gently breathe in, come to the center, release your hand. Next, take a support of left hand, touch to the right ear. And just bring your neck towards the left. Extend your right hand towards the right and feel the stretch in your right side of the neck. Do not forcefully bring your neck down. Just be there wherever you are and feel the stretch. Keep a normal breathe in and breathe out. Gently breathe in, release your left hand and bring your right hand and left hand towards the center. Very nice. Next, we will just do the rotation of our neck starting. Just bring your neck down, starting from right, slowly go to the right, go back, come to the left and bring your neck to the down. 2 more round. Do it slowly and gently. Right, back, left and down. One last time. Right, back, left and down. We'll go reverse starting from left, back, right and down. 2 more round. Go to the left, back, right and down. One last round. Right, back, left, and down. Slowly come to the center. Sit back and relax. Feel the or observe your neck region. Feel the changes happening in your neck region, head region. Someone might feeling your head get more heavy. So let it relax for a while. After every stretching, we must relax our the nerves, our body. Wherever we feel stretch, we must relax. Very nice. Open your eyes. Next, we'll go for the sun salutation. Surya Namaskar. So gently sit straight and tall. Bring your both the legs together. If not, take a little distance. Slowly bring your both the hands above the head in Namaskar Mudra. Stretch up and head up. Look to the hand. Slowly breathe out, bend forward. Do all the actions slowly. Bring your head down. Breathe in, slowly come up again. Look up. Breathe out, hands down, and bring your right leg up. And look up and back. Breathe out, nose to the knee. Breathe in, release your right leg down and bring your both the hands up. Breathe out, bend forward and down. Breathe in, slowly come up. Look up. Breathe out, bring your hands down and bring the left leg up. Breathe in and look up and back. Breathe out, nose to the knee. Breathe in, release your left leg down and both the hands up. Look up. Give a nice stretch. Breathe out, slowly go down, forward and down. And breathe in, come up. And bring your both the hands in front of your chest. This is the one round of sun salutation. Surya Namaskar. We'll do one more round. Breathe in, both the hands up, look up. Make sure your spine straight. Breathe out. Go forward and down. Breathe in. Again come up, look up. Breathe out. Bring your hand down and right leg up. Breathe in, look up and back. Breathe out, nose to the knee. Breathe in, release your right leg and put the hands up, stretch up. Breathe out, go forward and down. Breathe in, slowly come up. Breathe out, hands down and left leg up. Look up, breathe in. Breathe out, nose to the knee. Breathe in, look up. Release your left leg down. And slowly both the hands up, stretch up. Breathe out, slowly bend down. And breathe in again, come up. Stretch up. Give a nice stretch to your body. And breathe out, bring your both the hands in front of your chest. We'll do one more round, last round. Slowly breathe in. Up, look up, breathe out, slowly bend forward and down. Slowly breathe in, go up. Breathe out, bring your hand down and right leg up. Breathe in, look up. Breathe out, nose to the knee. Breathe in, release your leg down and bring your both the hands up, stretch up. Breathe out, bend forward and down. Breathe in, slowly come up. Stretch up, breathe out, bring your hands down and left leg up. Look up, breathe in, breathe out, nose to the knee. Breathe in, release your left leg, bring your both hands up. Breathe out, one last time, bend forward and down. And breathe in, come up. Stretch up and breathe out. Bring your both the hands in front of your chest and relax. Very nice. Sit back. Bring your both the hands on your thighs. Sit back. Close your eyes. Relax. Maybe your breath is improved or maybe started faster. So relax for a while. Keep your eyes closed. Slowly breathe in and breathe out. Breathe from your stomach so you will relax early. Feel the changes happening in your whole body. Whenever we are doing the sun salutation, Surya Namaskar, our whole body get activate. We are using our whole body, starting from toes to the head. So just observe any changes happening in your any part of the whole body. Try to observe and relax. Very nice. Gently you may open your eyes. We'll do few asanas here. We'll start with the Trikonasana. Our first is Ardha Kati Chakrasana. We already did the stretching. So slowly bring your right hand up. Turn the face the palm upward. Stretch up. Stretch. Stretch. And this time we'll just bend towards the left. You can take a help of your right knee. Just bend towards the right, left. The elbow touching to your ear. Keep breathing here. Normal breathe in and breathe out. Whenever we are holding the posture, we have to be comfortable. Do not feel any stretch there. No extra stretch. We always hear the mantra Stiram Sukham Asanam. So we have to be still. We can feel the Sukhi whenever we are doing asanas. Gently breathe in, come to the center and bring your right hand down. Very slowly and gently. Very nice. Relax. Now take a support of right hand. Hold your knee. Left hand up. Palm facing upward. Touch your palm to the ear or not palm. Biceps to the ear. Stretch up and gently bend towards the right. Opposite side. Whichever hand come up, opposite side we have to bend. Be there. Feel a nice stretch to the left side. Elbow straight. Keep your whole body engaged. Keep breathing normally. It will activate our side weights. Normally we are just being straight whole days. We are not bending forward, left and right normally. So this is giving the activation to our side weights. Gently breathe in, come to the center. Again give nice stretch. You can feel the blood flow coming down. And then slowly bring your hand down to the shoulder line. Palm facing down and hand down. Release your right. Relax. Next we'll go for Trikonasana. So bring your right leg at the right side. Come little front. Okay. So this should be 90-degree. Right leg, right side, left leg in front. Slowly bring your left hand up and right hand you can hold on your knee also, okay? Or you can hold the chair. This time we don't want to touch to the ear, it should be straight. Ideal, you can look to the left palm, but if you cannot look up, look straight. So you can look straight or look to the palm, upper palm. Be there. This is the Trikonasana, the variation in chair pose. Give a nice stretch to your left hand and look up or straight. Gently breathing. Bring your hand down and leg back to the center. We will repeat the same asana from left side. So bring your left knee towards the left. See you are sitting tall and straight. Gently bring your right hand up. Do not touch to the ear. And left hand on the knee or you can hold it down. And look to the right palm. Or straight, whichever comfortable. Depend on your situation or do not force more. Look up or straight and keep breathing. Do not hold your breath. Very nice. Two more. Breathe. Gently breathing. Bring your right hand down, left hand back, and knees back to the center. Very nice. Relax and observe the changes in your sideways again. Very nice. Take a deep breath in and breathe out. Now this time we'll gently come to the in front of your chair or the middle, and you can put the left leg on the right knee. Okay, whichever leg is down, that hand will come up and left hand we can just hold it. If you cannot do like this, just touch elbow together and bring your elbow up, whichever is comfortable to you. Okay, and try to bring your elbow up and look up, look to the palm or the fingers. Sit straight, spine straight, left knee on the right knee and both the hands touching to each other, or we are twisting the hand and look to the fingers. Bring your elbow as up as you can and breathe normally. Hold this pose. This is the Garudasana, eagle pose. Keep breathing. Gently breathe out and release your hand. Bring both the hands down and release your leg. Repeat the same thing from right leg. Bring your right leg on left knee, right knee on left knee. Left hand down, right hand up. If you cannot, just bring both the hands touching to each other and pull up, whichever is comfortable to you. Pull your elbow up in shoulder line and look to the fingers. Sit straight and tall and keep breathing. Observe your shoulder area. Do not go beyond your limit. If you cannot bring too much up, be there wherever you are comfortable. Gently breathing, release your hands, bring them down and release your right knee. and sit back. You just shake your hand slowly and gently. Shake, 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 shake. And relax. Relax. Sit back and close your eyes. We'll do the deep relaxation technique, DRT. So both the feet touching to the ground, both the hands facing upward. Keep on your thighs. Rest the back of your chair. Neck relax, shoulder relax, whole body relax. Try to be comfortable position and keep your eyes closed. And try not to move your body for next few minutes. We will start. Gently breathe in and breathe out completely. One more time. Breathe in and breathe out. Very nice. Gently bring your awareness to the tip of the toes. Feel your all the toes and relax them one by one. Relax your toes. Feel the soles of your feet and relax them nicely. Relax your ankle joint. Feel the calf muscles and relax them nicely. Relax your knee. Relax your thighs, your hip joint, your buttock muscles nicely relax. Feel your pelvic region. Squeeze your anus, release and relax. Relax your waist joint, whole lower portion of the body. Nicely relax. Relax. To enhance this relaxation, we will make a sound of akara. Breathe in. Feel the akara vibration in your lower portion of the body. Keep your eyes closed and focus on my instruction. Observe the all changes happening in your body. Let your body relax. Next, we'll move to the middle portion of the body. Gently bring your awareness to the stomach. Observe your stomach movement. How the stomach moving up and down. Whenever you are breathing, stomach going up like a balloon. When you breathe out, stomach sinking down. Observe it. Relax your stomach. Bring your awareness to the chest region. Feel the heartbeats. How it's moving. Is it very fast? Is it slow or the neutral? Just try to observe your heartbeats. Relax your chest. Bring your awareness to the lower back. Relax your lower back. Relax your vertebra one by one. Relax your middle back, your upper back and the shoulder blades. Nicely relax. Relax. your shoulder joint, your biceps and triceps. Nicely relax. Feel the elbow joint and let it relax. Your forearms, your wrist joint, nicely relax. Feel the cool air touching to your palms. Feel and let it relax your palm. And relax your all the fingers one by one. Relax your neck muscle. Gently swallow the saliva and relax your throat. Relax your whole middle portion of the body. To enhance this relaxation, we'll make a sound of Ukara while breathe out. Slowly breathe in. Om. Feel the Ukara vibration in your middle portion of the body and relax your body. We'll move forward to the head region. Observe your chin. Relax your chin muscles. Cheek muscles nicely relax. Give a gentle smile on your face. Observe your lips and relax them nicely. Relax your upper jaw, upper teeth, lower teeth. Hold your tongue inside and relax your tongue. Observe the nose. Observe both the nostrils. Whenever you are breathe in and breathe out, try to observe the changes. When you breathe in, the cool air going inside the body. And when you breathe out, the warm air coming out and you feel more relaxed. Relax your nose. Bring your awareness to the eye region. Relax your eyelid, eyebrows. Feel the eyeballs. Relax your eyeball. Bring your awareness to the middle portion of your eyebrows. And relax it nicely. Relax your forehead. Your both the ears nicely relax. Relax your crown, back of the head and side of the head. Nicely relax. Relax your whole head region. To enhance this relaxation, we'll make the sound of Makara. Breathe in. Feel the Makara vibration in your head region. You might feel energized or might feel relaxed. Both are okay. Your whole body from tip of the toes to the ground is relaxed. If any thoughts coming in your mind, do not go with it. Let it come and go. Just focus on your body. Relax totally. We'll maintain the silence of 30 seconds. Just observe your breathe in and breathe out. Do not move your body. Very nice. Gently deep breathe in and breathe out. Next, we will just breathe in and we'll make a ah, oo and ma in one breathe out only. Slowly breathe in. Feel the vibration in your whole body. Relax completely. Gently move your toes and fingers. Bring your both the legs together, hand above the head. Give a nice stretch to your body. Stretch your hand up, leg back, down. And gently come back. Relax. You might feel more energized. Keep your eyes closed. Gently we will rub our both the hands. Feel the warmness in our hands. Make a cup and put on our eyes. Do not press your eyeball. Feel the warmness in your hand region and pass it through your eyes. One more time. Rub your hand. Feel more warmness. Again, you can give it to your eyes. Slide down to the neck, your chest, your stomach, lower back, your thighs, knees, down to the ankle. Gently come up and give your warmness to your hand region. And slowly with a few blinks, open your eyes. No hurry, take your own time. Very nice. Relax very nicely. So we have 10 more minutes. We just go for the pranayama. So sit back. We'll start with Anulom Vilom, but we'll start with left leg, left nostril 5 times. Breathe in and breathe out from left side. And then 5 times right. And again 7 times reverse way. I'll guide you how to do that. Okay, so first close your eyes. Bring your thumb, close your right nostril. Breathe in from left. Breathe out from left. So I will give you 5 counts. When we breathe in, 5 counts. Breathe out, 5 counts. Okay, we'll start. Breathe in left. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Breathe out left. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Breathe in left. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Breathe out left. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Do it slowly. Breathe in left. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Breathe out left. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Breathe in left. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Breathe out left. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Slowly bring your right hand down and take a normal breathe in and breathe out. Now we will close our left nostrils with the support of ring fingers, or you can use the left hand index finger. Close your left nostril. Breathe in from right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Breathe out right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Breathe in right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Breathe out right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Breathe in right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Breathe out. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Breathe in right. And 2, 3, 4, 5. Breathe out. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Breathe in right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Breathe out. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Bring your hand down and take a normal breathe in and breathe out. One more time. Breathe in normally times Anulom Vilom. So take a Nasika Mudra, thumb open, ring fingers and baby fingers are open. Okay. Left hand Inchin Mudra, put on left thigh. Right hand Nasika Mudra. Close your right nostril. Keep your eyes closed. Breathe in from left. Close your left nostril. Breathe out from right. Breathe in from right. Breathe out left. This is one round. Breathe in left. Breathe out right. Breathe in right. Breathe out left. Breathe in left. Breathe out right. Breathe in right. Breathe out left. Breathe in left. Breathe out right. Breathe in right. Breathe out left. Breathe in left. Breathe out right. Breathe in right. Breathe out left. Breathe in left. Breathe out right. Breathe in right. Breathe out left. Last round. Breathe in left. Breathe out right. Breathe in right. Breathe out left. And bring your hand down. Observe the breathing. Might be smoother than previous. Take a normal breathe in and breathe out. One more time, take a deep breathe in and breathe out. Lastly, we'll move for Bhramari Pranayama. So we'll take a index finger, put on our ears. Do not press too much. We have to bring our tongue touching to the upper palate. And while breathe out, we have to close our mouth and make a sound of makara like a humming bee. So we will start, sit straight. Breathe in. And breathe out, start. 4 more round. Breathe in. Breathe in. Breathe in. And last round, breathe in. Bring your both hands down. Keep your eyes closed. Sit back and observe the vibration in your head region. And start breathing normal in and out. Just give 30 seconds to yourself to observe the changes. Very nice. Bring your both the hands in front of your chest. We'll do the closing mantra. Begin. Om Sarve Bhavantu Sukhinah. सर्वे सन्तु निरामया, सर्वे भद्राणि पश्यन्तु, मा कश्चित् दुःखभाग् भवेत्। ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्ति। Gently open your eyes. Thank you so much. Have a wonderful day to you. Take care.